How to enable or disable camera adaptive pixel for low light shots on Samsung S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. Click on camera assistant. After click on camera assistant and you scroll down to end, click on advanced resolution option. After click on advanced resolution option and you will see first option is adaptive pixel. If you want to disable adaptive pixels, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, advanced pixel is disabled. If you want to enable adaptive pixels, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, adaptive pixel is enabled. You will enable or disable adaptive pixel from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable camera adaptive pixel for low light shots on Samsung S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.